Hello, virtual. Let's read the question. The question says here the adjoining diagram refers to mitochondrial electron transport chain. Identify P, Q, R, S, and T. So, this is the diagram showing that this is the mitochondrial electron transport chain, and we have to identify that P, Q, R, S, and T here in this part. So, in the given diagram, this is inner mitochondrial membrane or inner membrane of the mitochondria, and these are the outer and inner part. So let's see. So this is the following steps of the respiratory process. So this is the process of respiration, the respiratory process. In the respiratory process, there are release and utilization of energy stored in the form of NADH with H plus. So release and utilization of energy that is ATP. This is stored in the form of NADH with H plus ion. This is a proton, and FADH2, and this is accompanied with that is they are oxidized through the electron transport system. So these are oxidized through the electron transport system, and the electrons are passed on to the oxygen. So in this part, electrons are passed onto the oxygen, resulting in the formation of water. So from by the passing of electron to the oxygen, then there will be formation of H2O, that is water. And the electron transport system is present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. This is seen in the inner mitochondrial membrane. And electrons from NADH. So first of all, from NADH, electrons from NADH produced in the mitochondrial matrix, that is Q. This is the Q here. This is mitochondrial matrix. Mitochondrial matrix. So Q is representing the mitochondrial matrix. That is, Q is representing, this is outer membrane, this one is wrong here, and this is matrix, this is crest, this is wrong here, this is outer membrane, this is wrong. So Q is representing mitochondrial matrix. And in the citric acid cycle, there will be oxidation of H plus oxidized by an enzyme, that is NADH dehydrogenase. NADH dehydrogenase. NADH dehydrogenase. So for that, what is R here? R is representing, that is NADH with H plus ion. So this is R. And by the combination of NADH plus H plus ion, there will be formation of NAD plus. So this is that means S is representing the NAD plus. And after that, the electrons are then transferred to the UV quinon located within the inner membrane. So this is present in the inner membrane. And in that place, proton, that is, what is that proton? That is 2H plus ion. These are transferred to the inner membrane space. So these are transferred to the inner membrane space. Inner membrane space. So what is the correct answer here? As it is inner membrane, so for that, this is the outer chamber here. So P is representing the outer chamber, and Q is representing the inner mitochondrial membrane. This is the inner mitochondrial membrane, or sorry, this one is the matrix here, and this is the inner mitochondrial membrane. After the inner mitochondrial membrane, there will be presence of inner mitochondrial matrix. So R is representing, so in this case, R That is, by the combination of NADH or H plus ion, it enters to the inner membrane or inner mitochondrial membrane and forming 2 H plus ion in this part. So R is representing NADH plus H plus, then S is NAD plus T is given here, that is 2 H plus ion. So correct answer is option number B. I hope you understood it. Best of luck.